Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to repeat table headers on every page in LibreOffice Writer. So let's start with the fastest method. At the top, click on the table menu and from the list, choose header rows. So right here, we will find header rows. So right here, header rows repeat across pages. When this option is enabled, you will see check mark next to it. So right here, now you see it. That's it. LibreOffice will now automatically repeat the header row at the top of every new page. If your table only fits on one page, you won't see any changes yet, but the settings is already active and will work as soon as the table continues. So I will try to show it now. So I will put more rows right here now to the next page, like that. Like so. Now let's start with next method, second method, which gives you more control. So right click anywhere inside the table and select table properties right here. In the window that opens, switch to the text flow. So next to it, text flow, the second one. Here, check the box called repeat heading. So this one here. Below that, you will see an options for how many first rows should repeat. If your header is only one row, enter 1. If your table header uses multiple rows, just increase the number. And when you are done, just click OK to apply the changes. To make sure everything works, scroll down through your document when the table continues into a new page, and then you should see the header rows automatically repeat at the top. You can also use print preview or export the file as PDF to double check the final result, and the report headers will appear in both printing and PDF export. So if I go here to print, we need to see the header here. Yeah, it is. So make sure your header is actually in the top rows of the table. The table must span multiple pages for the header repetition to be visible. Always confirm you selected the correct table, and you can switch between the quick menu options and the table properties anytime. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.